Chick-fil-A with BPS stash. That's what we're making here. You guys will be trying this at home. The dish is really fun and it started as an accident. As everything good starts an accident. King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. We're gonna use these, but first, let me make the coleslaw. This coleslaw I brought over to friends, just your standard bag mix. Here comes the trick. This is where you're gonna say, Papa, you've lost your mind or you're a genius. Chick-fil-A sauce. Yes, now watch. Mix it up. Now, there's all kinds of slaw. I like this because it's a change up. You know, you get tired of cooking the same thing. And this is quick and easy. Okay. You guys will be trying this at home. Now, here's the secret. It's not near as good enough if you don't use stash, honestly. So if you don't have stash, try sweet money. If you don't have stash and sweet money, I'm praying for you. Okay? Just a little more. Okay, now comes the fun part. We're gonna make these sliders. So I'm gonna come in here, put the slaw on the bottom, just a little handful. Now, just the last few drops of Granny's. Big Papa's Granny's Sweet Money pulled pork sliders on King's Hawaiian bread with Chick-fil-A slaw. I rest my case. If these aren't your favorite, I don't know what to do, but here you go, guys.